Hello, everybody. So today I'm going to show you how simple, very simple, it is to use Gold Cup, iMarkets Live Gold Cup. Before I get started, my name is Antonia Chiamaka Chibo. You've heard me about talking about iMarkets Live. This time, I want to tell you that this time is so simple to use IML Gold Cup. So the Gold Cup sends you on alert to your phone whenever trade signal comes out. And the Gold Rush, the developer of Gold Rush app, his name is Lucas Langmeyer, and he is amazing. He is awesome. He developed this app to set people free so people can become financially free. So meaning that he's going to call out signal, he's going to tell you when to close out, how to close positions, how much you need to get started. And I mean, even if you don't have the amount that he suggested, but you want to use a very, very low lot size, but every step of the way, the app helps you to multiply your money. And that's the key why we're doing this, okay? We want to buy our time back. Without further ado, let me show you this app, okay? It's an app on my phone, but because I'm using a computer, I can still log in online. So I'm going to show you how it looks like online. It is the same for your cell phone, okay? So, share, let's see. I'm going to share. So y'all can see a website, Forest Factory. That's not what I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you, where is it at? Okay, so here. Let me share. It is this one right here. Okay, so share. Hold on. Okay, so right here you see IML Gold Cup. I'm here at the setting. So in this setting section, you will see where it says email, change email. You put in your email address right there and it sends you notification. It tells you by default is every hour, but if you want to choose otherwise, you're gonna change it right here. You're gonna scroll down and change it every 3 hours, every 30 minutes if you want it. If you want to make money every 30 minutes, if you want every 3 hours, every 6 hours, 12 hours a day, it's so flexible. Whatever your schedule is very accommodating. And right here is also to receive notifications to your cell phone. So you say every hour, it just says subscribe and you just submit, okay? And right here, it tells you the key. So here is the pending activation. When you see a purple cup, that's a good trade to take. If you see a gold cup, then you already made gold. You already made money, right? That's what that means. For blue, you don't want to take it. It's future. The system is trying to figure out if that's a very good trade to take. So do not take blue cups yet. Okay. And so you select which cup you want to check out. If you want to check out purple and gold, and it shows you which ones are pending and which ones are that you're already taking that you made money on. And right here, it shows you the broker. So you select your broker. There's two Goldwell traders with JFS, FS Choice. These are current brokers. You don't have to have these brokers, but you can select any of them and you can trade it with whatever broker you have, if that makes sense, okay? So, and here's a short video. I think it's about 3 minutes. It tells you everything that I just told you. You just watch it and follow the directions. So this is just the setting. So once you're done with the setting, you're gonna submit and close. You are done for the day and for life for Gold Cup. And so you're gonna click back right here, the back, and go back to the Gold Cup. So as soon as you log in, this is what you see, right? You see the teacup and you see the Gold Rush part. So with the Gold Rush, you have a Telegram app where Lucas Longmire tells you if there's a gold signal or not. So this Gold Rush is only certain pairs are traded on there: GBP, USD, gold, and US30. Okay. And teacup right here, you can sell as many as pair that you want. I'm gonna click on it, and you're gonna see on the left side 1 hour, 4 hour daily. So if you choose 1 hour, you're gonna click on the drop down menu right here. Drop down menu. Oh well, I have to select broker. Never mind. So you select broker first. In this case, we're just gonna say JFX, and then you go to 1 hour, drop down menu. You can see so many pairs, and it gives you everything, all the numbers you need. No guesswork needed. You don't have to know how to trade. Like right now, look, hold on. We have. So right now, it's telling you to take. This trade is already activated. You can see it's the Gold Cup. It's on its way to take profit. If it hasn't, well, yeah, it did take profit and bounce back. So this was the entry of the sell limit, and this is the take profit. So it took profit and bounced back. And so here's the stop loss. Okay, so that's all you need. Every hour, depending on your setting, you're gonna get alert on your phone or your email, whichever one you choose, or both. And then you're gonna select the pairs that you want. In this case, if you selected USD Canada, it was gonna send you that signal when this was when it identified this Gold Cup right here. So that's all you need, and you just go to your MetaTrader 4, find the pay USD Canada, and then select sell limit. You're gonna put in the number. It tells you what type of order, sell limit. You put the number, entry price, stop loss, take profit, and you go about your way. It takes literally about 30 seconds to do that. As soon as you receive your email, you go to your Gold Cup app and you find the pair, and then you do the type of order, you place, and go about your way. Ladies and gentlemen, how easy can it be to make money on your phone while you're sleeping, while you're going about your day, and then all of a sudden you receive an alert? That's how our smartphone works, right? You're going about your day, and somebody, your mom, your dad, your sister, brother, whoever it is, sends you a text. You go to your phone and check it out, right? So that's how it is, IML. And Lucas Longmire has made this so much easier to trade for it. No guesswork required. People have been in this market, beat up by the market for over many years. You have this app. You have the Heart of Gold. Lucas Longmire is a Heart of Gold who made this with what's his name? Lizardo, who made the teacup and the Gold Cup. They did an amazing job. So, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. I already showed you how to make money every hour, or if you want, every day. Hold on, let me go back. If every 4 hours you want to make money, okay. Every day, at least every day, you have the opportunity to make money on your phone while you're going about your day. Ladies and gentlemen, how easy can you be? Can it be? Literally, $3 a day is all it takes. Most people go to McDonald's and spend $15, $20. Most people, I don't have anything to do with McDonald's. It's just, for example, most people go to Gucci bag, shoes. What's the other one? Most people buy Chanel perfume, $80-something. iPhone, $700, $800. Mine is like $800. So why can't I make money? Let my smartphone that I spend so much money on make me money, right? So here it is. If you have any questions, always feel free to send me a message, shout out on Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. I'm on there. WhatsApp, I'm on there. Or anything, just send email. First name dot last name at yahoo.com. Antonia.chibo, so ANTHONIA dot C as in Charlie HIGBO at yahoo.com. Or you can find me on Facebook, Antonia Chiamaka Chibo. Or you can join our group on our Facebook. Let me show you. You should. Go right here. Oh, you can find me on Facebook. Where's my Facebook at? It's not open. Don't worry. Anyways, I'm on there on Facebook, or you can join our group Forex Financial Freedom on Facebook. Okay? So we'll see you at the top. Take care. Have a good day and safe day. Remain blessed.